So I was wrong. A while back I was talking about DJI's Active Track. And I said it was good but not perfect, and that it would track cinematic. Well, what happened is I was flying and I was doing a test with it and it crashed. And there's a few things that I wish I knew so I wouldn't have this happen again. One, I wish I knew the environment better, because I didn't know all these smaller branches that were higher up. I didn't pay much attention, and I should have known what was going to happen. So I made that mistake. And I know they make drones specific for tracking, as in like the Skydio 2 or drones like that. Now, if you just want a tracking drone, then those would be perfect for you. But see, I like DJI because you can go through and you have the cinematic aspect and you can fly it yourself. But then if you wanted to, you can have it do active tracking, like what I was doing. Now, if I were you, I would not want to rely on active track as much, and don't 100% rely on that. You always want to be ready to take over, and I wasn't fully ready to take over the drone. Now, another thing is, if you have an FPV drone or something like that, and you think you're skilled enough to fly, that would probably be the better option. And for me, I didn't have the FPV on me because I really didn't want to fly and drive at the same time. So that's the main reason why. But also, if I did have another person driving, then I'd definitely want to fly the FPV, so then I would know where all the obstacles are, I can see them, and I have 100% control over it. Instead of the drone going over and thinking what way is best, and then missing something and crashing. And yes, I know this isn't the newest drone on the market, but still I've tried the newer drones, and they still have similar issues. So with that, you want to kind of use your own judgment and figure out if you want to do tracking with this or not. And hopefully that will save your drone, you won't have it destroyed, and it helps you out in the future. I'm Zane Shaw, and keep flying.